Sharing passwords isn't ideal, but sometimes it is unavoidable. For example, sharing your Netflix account with a friend. And did you know Netflix estimate that over 100 million people use someone else's password?
Stop it. Get some help.
But sharing passwords, especially in insecure ways, can expose you to real security risk. Today, I will show you the safest ways to share passwords, what to avoid, and which account should stay private. Let's jump in. Now, when it comes to sharing, not all methods are safe. Avoid using email or SMS. They are like sending a postcard that anyone can read. Instead, use the following methods. Most password managers make sharing passwords easy and secure. If you want extra security, use a password manager that supports sharing. These managers are zero knowledge, meaning only you can see your data. Even the app itself can access it. For example, if you are using Dashly, you can share login details with others and control their access permission. Here is how. Select the login or note you want to share. Click on Share and enter the person's email who also uses Dashly. Choose permission levels, full right or limited right, then hit Share. That way, you keep control, and if needed, you can revoke access at any time. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, AirDrop is an excellent option for sharing passwords securely. Here is a quick how-to. Open the Passwords tab on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. Find the account you want to share and tap on it. Tap the share icon. Then select the person's device. Make sure they are ready to receive the password by turning on AirDrop or making the device discoverable. It is a quick, private way to share a password directly with someone nearby without exposing them online. Finally, let's talk about legacy contacts. If something happens to you, it's crucial to give trusted people access to your account. Luckily, both Apple and Google let you designate a legacy contact who can access your account if they go inactive for a long time. Here is a brief walkthrough. For Apple, go to System Settings, Apple ID, Sign in and Security, click Legacy Contact, and add a contact. For Google, go to your Inactive Account Manager website, click Start, and follow the steps to select contact. These steps isn't about everyday sharing, but it is essential for long-term account management. First, not every account has the same risk level. Think of your email account. It is a gateway to resetting almost every other account's password. Therefore, keep your email and phone passcodes private, along with any financial account. Also, if a password is reused across account, it is best not to share it. If you do need to share a password, create a new one specific for that account so you are not risking others. Using a password manager can help here. It lets you create strong, unique passwords for each account, and you will never have to remember them all yourself. Only share passwords with people you trust. Relationships and situations can change. So if someone no longer needs access, it is smart to change that password. Even trusted friends can accidentally expose your login details by clicking a bad link or downloading malware. A good rule of thumb: share passwords for limited time and set reminders to change them regularly. Sharing password is always a bit of risk. But following these steps will make it much safer. Be cautious with what you share, how you share it, and who you share it with. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital security tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online.